True peace is not merely the absence of conflict but the presence of inner harmony. The present moment is the doorway to inner peace and transformation. In the stillness of the present moment, we find the greatest power. Surrender is not weakness, it is the gateway to true strength and freedom. True fulfillment comes from within, not from external circumstances or achievements. Your breath is the bridge between your body and your soul. Breathe deeply and connect. Letting go is not giving up, it's allowing things to unfold in their own divine timing. The mind is a powerful tool, but it is not who you are. You are the awareness behind the thoughts. Love is not something you find, it is something you embody and express. Every moment is an opportunity for awakening. Be present and embrace it fully. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to abundance and joy. True healing begins with acceptance and compassion for yourself and others. Fear is just a thought, love is your true nature. The universe is always conspiring in your favor. Trust in its infinite wisdom. Your true essence is timeless and eternal. It is beyond birth and death. Wisdom is not found in knowledge but in the space between thoughts. Life is a journey of self-discovery. Embrace the lessons and trust the process. You are not separate from the universe, you are a unique expression of its infinite beauty. Forgiveness is the key to liberation. Release the past and embrace the present. You are the creator of your reality. Choose love over fear and watch miracles unfold. If you liked the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.